Okay, let's wait for one or 2 minutes. I believe rest of the student will also join. Meanwhile, let me write the question. The question was proof that. I have discussed this concept in our class, but not have we have not like I was explaining you the concept, but the whole like each and every step I have not written it on the screen. Let's do it today and let's continue with lines and angles. So the question is prove that an equilateral triangle can be constructed on any given line segment. How to do it? Who will tell me?
Ma'am, this question has already been done.
Yeah, we have already discussed, as I said, that we have already discussed the concept which we are going to use over here. But if this question is there in the test, in the exam, like what will be the steps for this one? What will be the first step? What will be the second step? Like that. So we will be writing like that. Construction, we will write the whole steps for doing the construction. So till now I have you done it in the test?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, everyone has already done. Still, I have not got the time to go through it. I will go through it, but I wanted to discuss this question along with you. So, anyone, can you from here? Anyone can tell me what will be the first step? Like, how to start proving that we can draw an equilateral triangle on any line segment?
And
What?
first we need to draw a line segment AB.
So here we will keep on writing the construction also. AB is line segment of any length. We can take any length, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what will be the next step? Then placing the compass or taking the center as A,
Taking
taking
the radius as AB.
taking the center as A and radius AB, we need to draw a circle. Or a circle is drawn. Better write it, a circle is drawn. A circle is drawn. Like this. Needle we are placing at A, that means taking the center as a A, and we are able to AB as a radius, we are able to make a circle. Okay, so basically this is how maybe you need to do the construction for that. This is how maybe our figure will look like, right? We are drawing a circle by taking radius. Okay, radius AB we have taken, so this is not the actual circle. It should be very huge circle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it should be huge circle because AB is the radius of that circle. So better if we will take a small line, then it will work. Because in our copy in page only we have to do the construction. So very small AB if we will take, that will be helpful. AB, taking the center as a A, we will draw a circle, and by maintaining the radius as AB. Now it look like a circle. This is how you will be getting a circle, right? Everyone has done the same. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
miss.
Yes, sir. Now, third step we need to write over here. Now, taking center as what? As B,
B.
and radius as BA we can write. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
A circle is drawn. Another circle is drawn. So now we will be placing the needle of the compass at a point B, and we will take the radius again as a AB, we are calling it BA, and we will draw a circle like this. The point of intersection of both the circle, let's give it a name C. So C is point of intersection of both circles. C is point of intersection of both circles. Now joining A with C and B with C. Hence, we are having an equilateral triangle ABC. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Hence, we have an equilateral triangle ABC. here you will be mentioning that which postulate you are using, that a circle can be drawn like with any center and any radius. So here we have used the postulate. Which number postulate is that? Which number is that? A
Third.
circle. Yes. Third postulate, that a circle can be drawn on any with any center and any radius, that we will be that we have used over here. We have used Euclid's postulate 3, that a circle can be drawn with any center and any radius. Either this you can use, or there is an axiom which also we can use over here. What the axiom says, like to solve a math question, there are so many ways. So this is one of the way, and the other way is also from starting to till step 5, till step 6, you have to do everything same. But at last you can say that you have used the axiom. Which axiom? Where you can say that AB is equals to AC, because both are the AB is equals to AC. Let me write it over there. AB and AC both are radius of the first black circle. Can you see the black circle?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? Black circle radius. Can you see AB is the radius of the black circle? And AC is also the radius of the black circle. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So we will say that AB and AC both are radius of black circle. Black circle we will not say, radius of circle. Radius of circle. And the pink circle here, just to notify, the pink circle radius is BA and BC. Can you see it? Both are radius of the circle.
Yes, miss.
Now here we can say that things AB and BA is exactly same. So can we say AB, BC, AC, all are same, and the axiom is things which are equal to the same thing. Things which are equal to the same thing are equal with each other. Can we say?
Yes, miss.
Yes, we can say things which are equal to the same thing are equal with each other. That axiom we can write over here, axiom number we can mention. So that is one of the approach. After doing all the construction part, that then only you have to do either this one, or you can use the postulate also. If in the question is specifically it is mentioned that use the postulate, then this approach. If nothing is mentioned, then you can use any way. If axiom is mentioned in the question, that use Euclid's axiom to prove that this, then you are supposed to use the axiom only. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's continue with lines and angles. Any confusion to anyone? Have you noted down all the construction part?
Yes, miss.
Let's continue. Lines and angles we were discussing, and we will continue with the same. It was chapters 5 or 6. Tell me whether it was chapter 5 or chapter 6.
6.
Now, so far we have only discussed linear pair, vertically opposite angle.
भाई हाथ उठाते.
Hello. Anyone said anything to me? Anyone? Okay, Muhammad Abdul Rafi, do you want to say anything? Abdul? Yes. Do you want to say anything?
No, ma'am.
Let's continue. So suppose we are having this questions. Here we are having a straight line AB, and then C. Here we are having D, this much, it's O, W, this is X, this is Y, and this is Z. Okay, A, B, C. Yeah, this is the figure we are having now. It is written in the question that X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. Then prove that AOB is a line. How to prove that AOB is a line? It is written over there that X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. See the figure carefully. X plus Y is equals to W plus Z. How to prove that AOB is a straight line?
X plus Y is a linear pair, so it would be X plus Y equals to 180.
And then okay, X plus Y is a linear pair. So we can say X plus Y is equals to 180. Will that only work? That here in the question it is not written that AB is a line segment. It's not written in the question. So if we are saying X and Y is a linear pair, that means by ourselves, just by looking at the figure, we are saying that X and Y together are making 180 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So just by observing the figure, if we will give this conclusion that we can see in the figure that X plus Y is 180 and hence AOB is a straight line, that much will not be enough to prove that AOB is a straight line, that we can see in the figure itself. This much explanation will not be enough. Is there any other approach? If here it will be written in the question itself that AB is a line segment, then we could have said that X plus Y is 180. We know that since AB is a line segment, it both are linear pair. So yeah, now AOB. Okay, so why it will be given that AB is a line? That only we have to prove, right? So that cannot be given in the question itself because that's what we have to prove. Are you getting me? At first, I was saying that if it will be written in the question that AB is a line segment, then we can take X plus Y is 180. But then can you realize that here that's what we have to prove, that it's a line, a straight line?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding? So different approach we have to think about. Can we take and the condition also in maths, if any question you are having and if a certain condition is there, then 99% chances are there you are supposed to use the given condition. 1% question exists where the information is just to confuse you more. Okay, the solution is very simple. You are not supposed to use each and every information, like few information you will use and you will be able to solve the question. Those type of maths problem exist, but very rarely. Every time what we have to do, whatever information is given in the question, everything we have to use to prove whatever is asked in the question. So if it is given over there, X plus Y is W plus Z, that means we are supposed to use it. Okay, let's do it.
Can we use X plus Y plus W plus Z equals to 360 degrees?
Yes, we can use that X plus Y plus W plus Z, not in a bracket, all together. Just a second. We can write like this: X plus Y plus W plus Z all together is complete angle 360 degree. That we can say. Like X is less or more, whatever is there, Y is less or more, whatever is there, Z is there, W is there. all combined together is a complete angle. We can say that by ourselves. Okay. Now here we can use the condition also that x plus y is w plus z. So at the place of either x plus y, we can substitute w plus z, or at the place of w plus z, we can substitute x plus y. So any one of them. X plus y is equals to w plus z. It is given in the question. So substitute it at the place of x plus y, w plus z. Or maybe at the place of w plus z, you can write x plus y. So I'm going to write at the place of x plus y, w plus z. Okay. Then here also w plus z is there. If we will add this all of them, can you tell me what are we going to have? Who will tell?
2xy. 2x
2x
plus y.
2w 2z. Yeah. Yeah, you can do it that way also by taking 2x 2y. We are like, I am doing it this way. You can do it that way also. So can we take any common factor from this side?
Ma'am, we can take 2 into w plus z.
Now we can see that w plus z is equals to 360 by 2. That is
180.
180. If w and z is making 180 degree, if this angle w and this z is making 180, that means AOB is a straight line. From here only we can make the conclusion both are linear pair. Yes or no? If you will focus only on the downside part of the figure, can you say AOB is a straight line because W and Z are making a linear pair? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So either you can do it with X and Y, or you can do it like this. It's completely up to you. You can also, like, other way of doing it is, you can take X plus Y plus W plus Z is equals to 360. Here you can replace W plus Z with X plus Y. Here also X plus Y, 360. So 2X plus 2Y is equals to 360. X plus Y will be 180. Here also you can make the conclusion that hence X and Y are linear pair, and therefore AOB is a line, means AOB is a straight line. That's what we needed to prove here. AOB is a line. And we are done with that. Proved. Got it? Got it?
Yes.
So either this way or that way, but the finally whatever we have written, we have to write. Whatever way you are doing, you have to write the conclusion like this. Any confusion to anyone? Yes, and this way we are using the given condition. So always try to use the given condition. Whatever you have to prove, we are supposed to prove that by using the given condition. Whatever we have to find, we are supposed to find it by using the given condition. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
Let's continue. We are having a figure like this. P, Q, O, a straight line. R, S. Let me write what information is given along with the question, that POQ is a line. That means a straight line. Ray OR is perpendicular Okay, let me write perpendicular, otherwise you will get confused. Two line PQ OS is another way line between rays OP and OR. Prove that angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. See, this one is the question. POQ is a line. This is the figure we are having. This is what we have to prove. I am just scrolling this much. Okay, then the figure you won't be able to see. See, this is the figure we are having. Here it is given that POQ is a line. Ray OR. OR is a ray which is standing on the line PQ, and OS is the another ray. Okay, let me write what we have to prove over here. We have to prove that here I am writing it so that you will be able to think about it for a while. Angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Try it. First try it. If you want to use pen and paper, do try it over there and let me know what can be the possible approach for this one. Let me know.
We have to send the solution.
No, you just have to try it in your copy. And I'm giving you at least 2 to 3 minutes. Try it. And if you can, let me know. Okay, Shad, no worries. Okay, no worries. Please check it. This is the question I have given. First, do try and let me know if you can. Okay, take few minutes, try to figure it out, then definitely we will be doing it together. Can you see the question? It is just written in the question, Saad, that OP and OR are raised on the line PQ. And what we have to prove here, I have written on the top that this is the figure where PQ is a line, OR is a ray, OS is a ray. This angle is 90 degree. Let me write it. And this is what we have to prove. Anyone? Bottom part is still, this is what we are having, the bottom part start. See, it says that OP and OR is a ray. That's what I'm saying. If you will look at the figure and if you will look at this proof part, that's what is essential. Okay. Here it is in the statement part. If you are getting confused what is written in the statement, are we missing any data? No, we are not missing any data. It is written in the question that PQ is a line, POQ is a line. Okay. Angle ROQ is 90 degree. It is written over there. And this is what we have to prove. OR is a ray, OS is a ray. That's what is written in the statement part. Anyone? How to do it? Okay, let's discuss it. Anyone? Okay, let's do it. Let's do it over here. What we wanted to prove, we have to prove that the given angle. Let me draw the figure separately and let me write the proof over it. Just a second. A line we are having, the name is POQ. Okay. Here a ray is there, that is OR. It's a ray. Here OS is there. This angle is given as a 90 degree and we needed to prove that angle ROS is equals to 1 by 2 angle QOS minus angle POS. Okay, here whatever we will be having in hand, we will note it down at first. Whatever we have to prove, we will come to that. We will come to that. But at least let's try our way. Whatever data information we are having in hand, we will write it at first. So if here it is given that angle ROQ is 90 degree. Can we say that the other angle will also be 90 degree? The other part, that means angle ROP, the complete angle will also be 90 degree. Can be?
Yes.
Here we will write it. We will write how exactly are we getting this, or we can write linear here. Since angle ROP and angle ROQ are linear there, we can write that. Both the angle are exactly same. Okay, we can write that angle ROQ and angle ROP both are 90 degree. We can already see in the figure itself and we understand. Whatever we understand, whatever we are having in hand, we will be writing and then we will think about it. Now, here in the proof part, we can see ROS is there, QOS is there. Okay, what is ROS? This much is ROS. And QOS is also there. QOS is also there. Okay. QOS is also there and ROS is also there. So can we write, if we are talking about this QOS, can we write this angle is just a combination of angle ROS and what else?
90 degree.
90 degree. This QOS is this angle. That's why I was telling you, you must be clear with the name of the angle. This black angle we are talking about, this is QOS. All of a sudden, why we are taking QOS? Because in the proof, it is reflecting ROS, QOS, POS. So we are trying to take it. Maybe whatever we can write by taking these angle, we are trying to write it. So we can take this complete black angle is just the combination of this red angle and this angle. Okay, ROQ. We are able, so far we are able to write this much. Okay. Now, is it going to generate anything for us? ROQ? No. So far, are you getting anything from ROQ? Suppose at the place of ROQ, we need to think about all the possibility. Okay. If suppose at the place of ROQ, even if we will take ROP, are we able to generate anything? ROP? Okay, ROP we can still write. Again, it's the combination of ROS and SOP. Yes or no? Can we?
Yes, sir.
Can we? Think about it. QoS, we just found it from the proof part. We don't know what we have to write after this 90 degree, we are blank. Now looking at the proof and thinking ROS, QoS. So yeah, QoS we can write it is just the combination of ROS and the other angle, ROQ. Now ROQ and ROP is same. ROQ is and ROP is same. This and this is same. So yeah, we can replace that. Maybe in the next step we can replace that. But will it work? Will it work? So for that, we are thinking that ROP is not there in the proof. Can you see? Is there any ROP angle in the proof part?
No.
No. So even if we will replace this, the circle, the first circle with the second circle, it is not going to help. But we are still thinking that now after that, again we can break it. The angle ROP, I mean this yellow angle is ROP. Getting it? We can again break it as a ROS plus POS. Yes or no? The yellow angle, we can break it in the form of this blue and this blue. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So let's write it. Maybe it will help, maybe it will not help. We have to think about all the possibility. Okay, whatever will come in mind, we will keep on doing that. Maybe we will land at the proof or maybe we will not land at the proof. Okay, this is how we have to figure out any maths problem. If anything if you are having, it's just like the puzzle. You are trying to solve it. Okay, you are searching the piece which will get fit over here. That's it. So we are going to say that QoS, let's say this is equation number 1. We know both are same and both are 90. QoS is equals to ROS plus ROP. From where are we writing? From equation 1 we are writing. So far, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, miss.
Yes, sir.
Now, QoS is equals to ROS, and this ROP, still is it possible to break it? Break it, because ROS we are having in our equation, QoS we are having in our equation, POS we don't have. So is it possible to break it by taking POS? Yeah, it is possible. POS plus ROS, again we can take for this one, again we can take, it is nothing but just the combination of ROS plus POS. Any confusion? So far, is it clear to everyone? First respond.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samia already said. Saad, Arhan, Furkan, Heather, Bharti. So far,
Yes,
is it
miss.
making sense to you?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Okay, Mohammad Rafi. So we are having angle QoS is equals to here ROS, here ROS. Maybe we can add the 2 times angle ROS. Are you able to land at the proof from here? Are we? Is it possible to land at this proof from here? From here? This? Is it
We can
possible?
transpose angle POS to the LHS side.
So we can transpose angle POS to other side. It will be this one. We will be left with 2 times angle ROS. And then this 2, which is sitting over here, we can We can shift to other side. It will go in the denominator. QoS minus PoS. That's what we wanted to prove. Let's check it. Let's check it. Yeah. Yeah. We are done. We are done. What we did, let's summarize everything. We at first, just after looking at the picture, one thing clicked, that if the other angle ROQ is 90, then this part also be 90. That much we know. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So till equation number 1, we don't have to think anything. Okay? We can write it just after reading the question. We will be able to write till equation number 1. But after that, we are not sure. After that, we are not sure what to do. We will look at the proof and we will try making something. We will keep on looking at the proof and we will try creating something. So in the proof, ROS is there. Okay, maybe ROS, for ROS, we can write something. In the proof, other side, we can see QoS is there. POS is there. So QoS is the bigger, the black angle over here. That we have taken. Okay, to solve the same question, there are so many approaches. This is just one of them. So what we have taken QoS and we have written QoS is nothing but just the combination of ROS and ROQ. From equation number 1, we understand that ROQ and other angle ROP is exactly same. So we have replaced that. ROP we have written here. See the cursor. After that, we understand that ROP is again the combination of ROS and SOP. ROP is the combination of ROS and SOP. And we are done. Once we have expanded this one also, we are done, because all this part after that is just the simplification. So you have to practice this question. And if you want to do it this way only, there are so many ways to do it. If you are going to do it this way, then you have to keep in mind that anyway you have to make 2 times ROS. And definitely you will be able to figure out a way to make 2 ROS. If you will be able to make 2 ROS, then you will land at proof. Getting it? This 2 ROS, this 2 you will send to other side. It is, the proof is nothing but just 2 ROS on the other side, right? So if you will, this much only, if you will keep in your mind that anyway, if this question came in the exam, then in your mind, if this much is there, that anyway, if we will be able to make 2 times ROS, then maybe we will land at the proof. So definitely you will land at the proof if you will try making 2 times ROS. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is the proof of this. Copy it. Everyone, please copy it. Any confusion? Yeah, if you are having any confusion, first let me know so that I can clear it first, and then you can start doing the copying. Any confusion?
Ma'am, can we take angle ROS as 90 degree minus angle POS?
Yeah, sure. ROS is equals to ROS is equals to 90 degree minus POS. Yeah, we can take. Yes, we can take that. As I said to you that Arhan, you said no? Yes, Arhan?
Yes, ma'am.
There are so many ways to solve it, and yeah, we can write ROS as a 90 degree minus POS. We can write, but will it help to prove it? Like what step you are going to take after this one or before this one, that also you need to let me know so that I can confirm that you are on the right track or not. This is the proof we have.
I took this as the first equation and the second equation I take 90 degree equals to angle QS minus angle ROS.
Yeah. Yes, this is also correct. This is also correct, Arman. It is perfect. Okay, from here also you will be able to do. This is just one of the way. If you know other way, great. Let me know so that I can confirm, yeah, that way also you can prove it. There are so many ways to solve a math problem, and if you are just sticking with the concept and using the concept properly, then definitely all method, all different ways are acceptable. Okay, in your exam also, whatever way you will prove it, if you are using the concept properly, then nobody will say that it is not correct, and you will get full marks for that also.